Patreon. Support the future of CHASIN lines. Oh my gosh, episode 5. I can't believe we're almost there already, but thank you for returning to CHASIN lines. Now in this episode, we're picking up where we left off, coming up the steep hill out of Coral Bay, where we need to see if we can make it out of here alive to get down south even more. After that, we managed to get our way to Shark Bay, and we head through Denham and up to Point Perron there, where the red dirt meets the ocean. An awesome spot and a destination we had to visit on this trip. From there, we come back through Denham, spend some time in Shark Bay, cooking up a few pizzas on the night on our way to Steep Point. So as always, sit back, relax, grab a cold one, and enjoy the episode.
Two-wheel drive.
So after making it out of that hill alive, we're able to push on to Point Perron.
So Point Perron is actually where red dirt meets the ocean. That's what it's famous for. So we had a quick look out there, walked down on there, picked up a few shells actually. I think Mark found a little mussel. This is his little mussel friend now. He's up, Turbo. We'll get there.
So Mark, our self-appointed resident sea expert, fell in love with this show and said, mate, this thing is gonna hatch. So he took it with him, wanted to see what was inside.
You could be rich.
We're definitely going to need a Leatherman for this. Yep. Alright, we'll take him with us. He hatches in my hand while it happens.
Well, time to get off the beach and head towards Lucky Bay. Easier said than done.
I was just resting. I wasn't bogged. Not a chance. The definition of bogged is you can't go forward or you can't go backwards, and I could certainly go in both directions. Smell the heat.
So probably wasn't the smartest idea trying to power out of that one. She got a bit hot under there.
At least the wind's blowing straight in there. That was caning it. Like any vehicle would have got hot doing that.
Time to admit defeat and take the sensible way out.
It's all right, power out. Max Tracks to the rescue, powered straight out of that. But, well, yeah, the Patrol caught on fire. That's what happened there. Whoops.
It smells warm in there, eh?
But it's like smoke. It's on fire.
It potentially could ignite.
Woo! Even the water dripping back onto me is like, fuck. There you go. That was actually orange embers, but. Just putting the fire out. Bloody fire man over there.
Because the LS is on fire.
Price of power.
Yeah. So once I finally got myself off the boggy beach, we made our way south to Shark Bay.
So it's been a big day today. We ended up going up to Perron Point, looked at all the different tracks up there. Obviously I got a bit bogged and my car caught on fire, but that's not too bad. Oh god, it's getting rough. So we just ducked off. What we want to do tomorrow is have a look at the shark feeding down at the aquarium, which we didn't quite make today. I think the last session was at 2 or 3 o'clock, so we'll jump back there in the morning. So we're just finding the closest camp on the beach pretty much to that aquarium. And we're out at Eagle Bluff Road. That's where we're staying tonight. And I think we're going to have a crack at cooking some pizzas. Done it again.
So as we pulled into camp for the night, it was time for me to do a couple of repairs.
Pull it that way.
Is that the battery box that you made, Sam?
The exact same bit broke on my last car as well.
I was going to say,
Fucking deja vu, that bolt came out.
Okay, so if you've seen series 1 of CHASIN Lines and the build of the actual Patrol, you're probably wondering, this shouldn't be happening right now. Flashback.
My battery box rattled loose, so I've got to it's cracked the weld on the body mount and taken the bolts out the chassis rail, so I'm just going to try and tech screw that back in, lock tight the bolts on the chassis, got some spare ones, try and get back to cans. The last episode they released, I put that together, I made the battery, and there were a couple of comments of guys picked up some things that I need to attend to. So where I went wrong is I have got a couple of the mounting points on the actual wheel arch here, and then the third one was on the chassis. Now, how is the body mounted to the chassis? Through rubbers. So there is actually a bit of flex that happens between the chassis and the body, which means it's going to cause a stress fracture if I mount it to those 2 points because it's rigid.
Yeah, so someone clearly didn't learn their lesson on that one. Had to nick a bolt from another spot of the car and do another temporary fix.
How's dinner? Flip it over and cook the other side?
Yes.
Murray muscle.
No, it's not a pearl then.
Murray, no, there's no pearl in her. But Murray the muscle.
He's got muscle.
Come on. Oi. Don't be shy now. I think it even speaks.
Good work. Good work, dickhead.
I've just done it.
Got the fire going. Solid effort.
Boom! Mowing it.
They're on. Yay, that's going to burn in about 2 seconds.
Yep, so everyone enjoy.
Holy
Everyone get warm like last.
It's definitely windy. Which way's the wind going?
Staying over there. Should be good.
I run behind it, go. Oh jeez. That was got my hair left.
you want to see episode 6 of Chasing Lines right now, you can just click the link below to go to my website where you can unlock all future episodes for this series. If not, I will see you next month right here on YouTube. That's right, we're cooking pizzas tonight. So, cooking pizzas in the bush, something a little bit different. I think I'm using a wrap here as my base, and what did you get? Some actual?
Yeah, some actual pizza bases.
Some actual pizza bases. I didn't see them down the aisle. Well, which aisle were you at? I don't know. Anyway, so we did ideally want to do this on a fire. We actually dragged a rock up out of one of the Carragini gorges, didn't we? Yeah, to do like some nice little wood-fired pizza thing. But we're in a national park tonight, so we can't have fires, and all the food's going off. So we've got to make these pizzas one way or another. So we're going to use it's like a barbecue almost, that thing.
Yeah,
how hot does it get? It's an oven.
Yeah, cook the roast. Gets to about 220 degrees when she's firing, so plenty enough.
Mint, so we'll pretty much put anything you want on there.
That's
so what are you going to put on yours?
Pizzas. I'm going to throw a bit of barbecue sauce as a base, maybe some chicken, bacon, cheese, a bit of capsicum maybe, stuff like that, and then top it off with maybe some Nando's peri peri chicken sauce on top.
Beautiful. Yeah, I'm probably going to do the same, bit of barbecue sauce. I've got a pepperoni as well on mine. I also got some spring onions I chopped up. This is not going to be a very pretty looking pizza, but
as long as it tastes good.
That's right. So you've pre-cooked your chicken, have you?
Yeah, a bit of pre-cooked chicken, peri peri, and a bit of marinated in something I can't quite remember. And some already diced pieces of bacon
I wanted
there.
Pineapple on mine. Who's got pineapple? Someone had pineapple. I need a bit of pepperoni, I think.
Throw the cheese on. Gotta have cheese.
Oh, what I've done wrong here is not going to the edges. You got to go right to the edges with pizza, don't you? Bloody hell, I'm thinking it's a sandwich.
I think so.
So can I have a bit of pineapple? Just a little bit. Please. Oh, look.
Cheese there. Ooh.
Look at that. How long are we going to chuck these in for?
We actually don't have an idea or a clue. We're just going to wing this one for sure.
It's pretty easy with pizzas. You just watch until they're golden brown on top, basically.
Yep. We've had this running, so we've got a bit of heat in there now. What's she up to? About 180. Oh yeah, that'll be all right. All right. Try to slip this one in here gently.
We can't really see what's going on here. All right, we'll probably fit one at a time in here, looks like.
Oh, we might be able to slip the second in there.
We'll give it a go.
We'll give it a definite red hot go.
Damn, that looks good. Except mine's a wrap, so it's not going to take as long.
It's probably not going to take as long yet. Oh, look at that.
Just fits.
From there, we'll shut her up and
we'll see you in a couple of minutes.
Keep an eye on it.
Camera tricks ready? Whoa, she's done. Jesus, look at that, was quick. Woo. Well, mine's ready.
Well, one of them anyways. All right,
so
let's try to get this out of here.
What we've discovered is the wrap cooks quicker than the pizza base.
All right.
It's funny how the cheese is done. Oh, yep, slider on there. Good God. Oh, yes.
Yes.
That's good for
A
your
little bit
teeth.
of aluminium foil. Give it a clean.
Now, I just want to show the other pizza I made while we were waiting. Look how much better it is.
We'll slip that one on while we're waiting.
So that's the next one to go on. Let's see how she tastes. Who's enough?
Did you want to slap the peri peri on it?
Oh yeah. Well, this is the finishing product.
Finish the product on there, mate.
What is it? Lemon and herb.
Lemon and herb.
Get that on there. Oh God. Oh, it comes out all different directions.
Oh yeah, she's
That's
through.
kind of worked.
Yeah, that's the one. It must be. Just
all right, Jared, my lovely assistant.
Come on in, mate.
Come on in.
Tell us what it tastes like.
We'll have to just like fold it.
Have a go. What is it? Hot?
Oh, 10 out of 10. That's good.
That does taste good. It's a bit of a mess to eat, but that is awesome.
It approves. All right, there you go.
Bush pizzas.
Bush pizzas. Give it a crack at home.
That's yum.
Camera tricks ready?
No, don't look at me. I didn't see you.
Camera tricks ready? Camera tricks ready? When it's ready, we'll just be like, where we left off.
Next time on Chasing Lines.
Pretty windy at Steep Point tonight, but beautiful view nonetheless. I've timed this perfectly with the sunset. Done north, and we did east 2 years ago as well. Now I've done west. No one knows where's south. Woo! Yes!
We made it in the water.
How far down? Like 300 bill, you're going to find water?
Go for control mission success.
So we're here at the aquarium in Shark Bay. And maybe we'll throw Mr. Fishy in there.
It's like a bit of Aussie bite stuff.
That's why you don't four-wheel drive with bait. You've got to get rid of the smell before bedtime.
If you want to see episode 6 of Chasing Lines right now, you can just click the link below to go to my website where you can unlock all future episodes for this series. If not, I will see you next month right here on YouTube.